Okay. So exercise 12.1, question number 1. A traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. Okay. So basically there is a board on which it is written school ahead. It is a equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all three sides are equal and all angles are equal. Side, the length of the side is given by A. Find the area of signal board using Heron's formula. If the perimeter is 180 centimeter, what will be the area of signal board? So we have to find area of triangle ABC by Heron's formula. This is the question. Okay. All sides are equal. They are all A. Okay. It is given that perimeter is 180. Perimeter is 180 centimeter. Okay. Perimeter means sum of all three sides. Each side is A. So A plus A is 180. Or we can write 3A equals to 180. Or A equals to 180 by 3. That is equal to 60 centimeter. Okay. Now, area of triangle is given by under root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. S is semi-perimeter. So perimeter is given. So semi-perimeter will be half of it. So it is 180 by 2. That is 90. S is 90. S minus A, 90 minus 60. 90 minus 60 and 90 minus 60. Okay. So under root of 90, 90 minus 60 is 30. 90 minus 60 is 30 and 90 minus 60 is 30. Okay. जब भी हम ये स्क्वायर रूट सॉल्व करेंगे और अगर दो नंबर्स स्क्वायर रूट के अंदर लाई करते हैं, if two numbers are there inside the square root which are same, like 30 into 30, okay, then what we can do is we can take 130 outside. अब ये बचा 90 into 30. we have already seen कि अगर दो जीरोस हैं, यहाँ पर दो नंबर्स ऐसे हैं जिनके यूनिट्स प्लेस जीरोस हैं, so instead of these two zeros I can take out 1 0 outside the square root sign. Now it is 9 into 3. Okay, so 300 square root of 9 also, this also I can take outside, it is 3 root 3. So answer is 900 root 3. Okay, you can check the answer. And
Ma'am, can you explain once again?
ये देखो, एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल एबीसी हमको फाइंड करना है. ओके, पेरीमीटर इज 180 सेंटीमीटर. सम ऑफ ऑल थ्री साइड्स मींस पेरीमीटर एंड ऑल थ्री साइड्स आर इक्वल. ये दे रखा है हमको कि ये इक्विलैटरल ट्राइंगल है, मतलब सम ऑफ ऑल थ्री साइड्स इज इक्वल. सो a plus a is 180 और 3a is 180 और a is 60. ठीक है.
Yes,
अब ईच साइड आ गया है तो हम एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल निकाल सकते हैं बाय दिस Heron's formula अंडर रूट ऑफ s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. s is 90. सेमी पेरीमीटर क्या होगा? पेरीमीटर डिवाइड बाय 2 इज सेमी पेरीमीटर. या फिर तुम इसको ऑल थ्री साइड 60 प्लस 60 प्लस 60 बाय 2 कर लो, एक ही बात है. ओके, s is 90, s minus a, 90 minus 60 is 30. 90 minus 60, 90 minus 60, and when you will solve, you will get this.
okay.
Actually, in question 1, find the area of signal board using Heron's formula. If we want to find in terms of A, ठीक है, तो हम A के terms में भी find कर सकते हैं. Side क्या था? A plus A plus A. Yes. What happened?
Ma'am, can you show the last one, last 3A?
3A. Okay, and semi perimeter will be 3A by 2. Okay, so area of triangle ABC will be equal to under root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So S is 3a by 2, 3a by 2 minus a, 3a by 2 minus a and 3a by 2 minus a. Okay, 3a by 2 minus a, ये क्या होगा? We can do this way. 2 is LCM, ये हो जाएगा 3a minus 2a, that is equal to a by 2. Yes, what you are saying, Manav?
मैम क्वेश्चन 1 इज,
हाँ, वो एक्चुअली क्वेश्चन 1 में क्या है कि हमने 180 लेके किया है पेरीमीटर, बट जो फर्स्ट पार्ट है उसको ए लेके ही सॉल्व करना है और सेकेंड पार्ट के लिए हमको 180 यूज करना है, इसलिए एट द बैक ऑफ द बुक आंसर इज गिवन इन टर्म्स ऑफ ए. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम डूइंग दिस. तो वो दैट आंसर वी कैन गेट दिस वे इन टर्म्स ऑफ ए. दिस इज a by 2, a by 2 एंड a by 2. अब ये देखो कितने a by 2 है, 2 a by 2 ये, 2 a by 2 ये, 3 into a by 2 लिख सकते हैं 3 a by 2 को. So it is basically a by 2 into a by 2 into root 3. So it is a square by 4 root 3 or root 3 by 4 a square. Okay. So this is one of the answer given in the book. जो बुक में फर्स्ट आंसर दिया है वो ये दिया है, रूट 3 by 4 a square. ठीक है, अगर हम वो भी करेक्ट है, ये भी करेक्ट है. ओके, तो अगर हम ऐसे करते हैं तो सेकेंड पार्ट के लिए हमको कोई कैलकुलेशन करने की जरूरत नहीं है. रूट 3 by 4 a स्क्वायर जो है और a वॉज 60, यहाँ पे 60 सब्सटीट्यूट कर दो, तो दिस इज 60, 15 6 are 90, so it is 900 root 3. Okay, centimeter square. Okay, so either you can do by this method or you can do by this method, but to get the back answer in terms of a, this method is better, क्योंकि इसके अंदर हमको डायरेक्ट वो आंसर मिल रहा है जो पीछे दे रखा है. This one. A triangular walls of a flyover has been used for advertisement. The sides of the walls are 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. So basically a triangular wall is there and sides are given 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. These are actually A, B and C. The advertisement yields an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. A company hired one of its wall for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? Okay, so first of all we have to find the area. Okay, the
semi perimeter.
So first of all area of triangle we have to find. Area of triangle is under root of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Okay, and s is a plus b plus c by 2. Okay, so what is the value of s? Tell me.
260. Ma'am, 264 upon 2 and we will cut, then it will become 132.
Okay, so it is 6 and 2 to 4 to 6, 266 upon 2. Sorry, it is 22, right? 264 upon 2, right? So it is coming
132.
132, right? So it is under root of 132, 132 minus 122, 132 minus 22 and 132 minus 120. So it is
Ma'am, 132 into 10 into 110 into 12.
into, okay, 22 110, right? And this one is
into 12.
ठीक है. अब इसमें ये 0 है और ये 0 है, तो इनको दोनों को हम एक सिंगल 0 आउटसाइड लगा देंगे. विल राइट 10 आउटसाइड. ओके, और 132 का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करेंगे, 11 का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करेंगे एंड 12 का करेंगे. 132 का क्या होगा?
मैम 2 into 11 into 3 into 2.
ओके,
मैंने सबका साथ में करके इन दोनों 0 को नहीं काटा, मैंने सबका साथ में करके करा.
ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. सो 2 into 2 into 3 into 11 into 11 and 12 का है 2 into 2 into 3. Now we'll make pairs 2 into 2, 11 into 11, 2 into 2 and 3 into 3. So it is 10
1320.
into 3 into 11 into 2. Okay.
Ma'am, answer is 1320.
So 22 into 6, 1320, okay, meter square.
Meters. Yes, ma'am.
So it is saying that advertisement yield an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. Okay. So 1 meter per meter square, 1 meter square rent is rupees 5,000 per year.
5,000.
So for this much meter square, 1320 meter square, rent will be, okay, 5,000 into 1320 for
Into 3/12.
ये तो 1 ईयर के लिए. ओके. अब 1 ईयर के लिए इतना है, लेकिन हमको 3 मंथ्स के लिए चाहिए. तो वी कैन राइट रेंट फॉर 1 ईयर is 5,000 into 1320. So rent for 3 months, 1 year मतलब 12 months.
Yes, ma'am.
3 months. Ma'am, 1/4.
तो ये हो जाएगा 5,000 into 1320 into 3 by 12.
Ma'am, answer is 1650000.
तो ये आंसर आएगा 1650000.
Yes, ma'am.
Question 3. There is a slide in a park. One of its side walls has been painted in some color with the message keep the park green and clean. See figure 12.10. If the sides of the wall are 15, 11 and 6 meter, find the area painted in the color. So basically there is a type of slides are there. There is a slide in the park. One of the side walls have been painted in some color. So basically there is a triangle this way, and we have to find the area of triangle in short. This is 15 meter. Okay, and we have to find the area of this triangle. Okay, so direct question actually, A is 11, B is 6, C is 15. Find semi perimeter, S equals to A plus B plus C by 2. So it is 11 plus 6 plus 15.
32.2 and it is
So it is 32 by 2. So it will be 16 meters.
yes, ma'am.
Area is equal to under root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So it is under root of 16 into 16 minus 11, 16 minus 6 and 16 minus 15. So it is under root of 16. 16 minus 11 is
56 into 16
1.
5.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is basically under root 16 prime factorization of 16, or we can just write square root of 16 तो होता है 4. So this
Yes, ma'am.
square root of 5 and the prime factorization of 10 is 5 into 2. So this will be 20 root 2.
Root 2 meters square.
This is the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Find the area of triangle, two sides of which are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Perimeter is 42 centimeter. Perimeter is given 42 centimeter. One side is 18 centimeter and another side is 10 centimeter. Manav, how I'll find the third side? Tell me.
Ma'am, 42 minus 18 10.
Okay. So basically when two sides are given and perimeter is given, we will subtract both the sides from perimeter. So we'll get the third side. Okay. So this way,
Ma'am,
this is
it is
14
14.
centimeters. Okay. After finding this, now again same question only. Find semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter, if perimeter is given, just divide it by 2. So this is
Ma'am, 20.
20.
Ma'am, 21.
Area of triangle is, yes, under root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So it will be under root of 21, 21 minus 18, 21 minus 10, 21 minus 14. Okay. So under root of 21, 21 minus 18 is 3, 21 minus
Ma'am,
10
7.
and 21 minus 14 is 7. Okay. Obtain prime factorization of 21. It is 3 into 7. 3 into 11 into 7. So when we'll make pairs, 3 and 3, one pair is this, and 7 and 7, another pair is this. So it will be 3 into 7,
21 root 11.
21 root
21 root 11.
centimeter square. This is the answer.
Yes.
Okay. Sides of triangle are in ratio 12:17:25. So in this case, suppose sides of triangle are 12x, 17x and 25x. Okay. So 12x plus 17x plus 25x is equal to 540.
Ma'am,
This step
yes,
is clear? Okay. So it's like example 3 only. When you will add this 12, 17 and 25, you will get 54x equals to 540. Or
ma'am,
x,
and x equals to 540 upon 54.
so it is 10.
10. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So sides are 12x equals to 120 and okay, first side, instead of sides we can write first side is 12x equals to 120. Second side is 17x equals to 170 and third side is 25x equals to 250. Okay. Now so area of triangle. Should I show that slide again?
No, ma'am.
Under root of S into S minus A. S is what? Okay, S we have to find 1 minute. So we'll find S. S equals to 120 plus 170 plus 250 by 2. So it will be 540 by 2. Okay, or perimeter is given actually. We could have found by perimeter by 2 also. Okay, it is 270. So 270 into 270 minus 120, 270 minus 170 and 270 minus 250. So it will be 270. 270 minus 120 is 150. 270 minus 170 is 100. 270 into 250 is 20. Okay. Now taking this zeros pairs 100. So we'll take 1 0 outside. One more pair. So one more 0 outside. And remaining ones 27 into 15 into 20. Prime factorization of 27 is 3 into 3 into 3. Prime factorization of 15, 3 into 5. And prime factorization of 20, 2 into 2 into 5. Making pairs 1, 2, 3 and this way. So all are in pairs. So everything can be taken outside the root sign. 100 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 2. Okay. So 9,000 basically. 9,000 centimeter square. This is the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, 1 second.
Ma'am, can you show the
Question 6. An isosceles triangle has perimeter 30 centimeter and each of equal sides is equal to 12 centimeter. So A equals to 12, B equals to 12. Okay. Basically, isosceles triangle is triangle in which two sides are equal. Okay. Suppose this both are equal. So A and B both are equal and C. So perimeter is given. So we can find third side. Third side will be 30 minus 12 minus 12. So that is equal to 6 centimeter. So C is 6 centimeter. Semi perimeter will be perimeter by 2. That is equal to 30 by 2. That is 15. Now putting the formula of area of triangle. Area of triangle equals to under root of S 15 S minus A 15 minus 12 S minus B 15 minus 12 S minus C 15 minus 6. So under root of 15 15 minus 12 is 3 into 3 into 9. Square root of this, the one pair is this, square root of 9 is also 3. So 3 into 3 we can take outside under root 15, or it is 9 under root 15 centimeter square. Okay.